How to fix WhatsApp sound problem. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp sounds problem easy and quick. First thing is go to settings, click on app, manage apps, and scroll down here. You will find your WhatsApp application, tap on it, click on clear. Here guys, click on clear cache and wait for a second here. Now, once you go back, you will find this will help you to solve the problem. And this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you on the next video.